Artificial intelligence, one of the most groundbreaking advancements of our time. But how does it actually work? Artificial intelligence machines that think. AI is the ability of machines to learn, reason, and make decisions, just like humans, but much faster. Whether it's recommending your next binge-worthy show or driving a car, AI is everywhere. AI learns from data, lots and lots of it. Using machine learning, AI studies patterns and improves over time, just like how we learn from experience. Machine learning AI analyzes data, finds patterns, and makes predictions. Neural networks. AI mimics the human brain using artificial neurons to process information. Deep learning AI trains itself using massive datasets to recognize faces, understand speech, and even beat humans at chess. From personal assistance to diagnosing diseases, AI is transforming industries. But as AI becomes smarter, questions arise. Can it think like humans? Should we trust its decisions? AI is only getting better. As we move forward, AI will shape everything from business to creativity, but with great power comes great responsibility. The future of AI depends on how we use it. Artificial intelligence is changing the world. What do you think AI will do next? The future is AI. The future is now.